friends with Andy here, so that's how it all starts. And she's very, very, just a very nice and normal kind of lady, young lady.
But you did know Other Woman last summer. So ano yung difference niya right now?
Super. Basically, the difference with this during No Other Woman, of course, No Other Woman was a story about, or concentrated on, a marriage that was destroyed from him having an affair. Here, it doesn't reach that level, so it's really catered to people who are a lot younger. It's pretty much people who are our age, not my age, our age. So that's the big difference. Because of course, my role in No Other Woman, Woman of the World, successful, is fierce. Here, I'm the total opposite.
So, di ba nga, how does it feel na you're on the other side naman? So from the Other Woman, ikaw yung Andy role before. Now, dito na ikaw na yung kawawa or still napalaban pa rin?
I actually did enjoy it, but I have to say, I really, really love Andy's role here. I wanted to do her role because I love roles that are like that. But that's why I was happy that she accepted. But anyway, it was challenging for me to play the other character with a lot more theme because I'm so used to doing the great characters. So to do something that was a little more tamed and poised, it was harder for me to control, certain nuances where you can't, just a simple flick of the eyebrow, it changes your whole character altogether. So it was hard for me in the beginning, but I enjoyed portraying the good girl this time.
So, ano yung feeling nung in-offer nga sa'yo this project? Kasi from No Other, than ganyan, and this
well,
one.
actually, di ba naman, they were giving me scripts of what I wanted to be my next movie to be. So the first script that they offered, I felt it was a little bit too mature. But when Ate Mel Del Rosario's script fell into my hands, I said, this is the movie that I want to do. So, yeah, I told them this is what we wanted, and they were able to adjust in a way that it really became the time frame. I guess it's more now. It's more catered to people who are my age. So yeah.
So, given a chance, di ba ikaw si Rafi, as Anne, what will you do kung ikaw yung yung ganung napunta ka sa role na yon? So, as Anne, ano yung pinaka-role mo with Erwan, for example?
Oh my God! Oh my God, ka na rin. Wala na. I won't give the guy a chance to explain. Basta confirm. Na-confirm ko ng bongga. Wala na. You don't need to, I won't give you the chance to explain yourself. Bye forever.
What is more challenging? Yung role mo sa No Other Woman o yung role mo?
Well, it depends kasi on what you're used to. For example, Andy had found it challenging because it's the first time for her to do this. So for me, whenever I play the great character, I have so much fun with it because I love portraying those roles. So to play someone that's a lot more tame, it was so challenging for me. Like Direct Noel, so many times he was telling me, your eyebrow, control it. You're not the bitch here. So I go, oo nga. Just simple things like that as an actress you have to learn to tame yourself, and that's why it was harder for me, even the way you talk, but it was still fun. It was still so much fun. So, but I'd have to say, because it's my first to be more of the goody-goody character, it was a little bit more challenging.
When started ba yung taping nyo? Paano mo na-balance yung schedule mo with Showtime, with other projects? Kailan ka
Basically, we shot
nag-start?
the film in 3 months. Wala, ganyan talaga eh. I do shooting, Showtime, the Mac to shooting. So it's really just proper time management, and I really, really wanted to do the film. So, bahala na sa puyatan. Basta go lang.
So, pero kailan siya nag-start?
3 months ago.
3 months ago. So, ganun nakabilis, and then showing now on the
And then
17th.
agad-agad showing. But, it helped that, of course, since it is very now, the locations that we had were very close to the showtime. It was even close to my house in Makati or in QC. So it was naman, not so hard. Hindi madugo because of the locations and stuff.
So how's working again with Derek?
Fun, we're so comfortable with each other already. So that's I guess why it was easier to shoot the film. Alam mo yun, parang minsan sobrang dami na naming take one because you're so comfortable already with working with each other.
How about with Andy? So is it your first time working with
It
Andy?
is my first time. As I said, I'm very happy that she accepted the role because it is a bit daring. And ang galing kasi yung mommy ko dito is her mom in real life. So being able to do a scene with her mom and then the next day I'm doing a scene with a mini her. Alam mo yun, parang I was like, siguro ganda yung itsura ni Miss Jacqueline nung bata kasi ang husay ni Andy. I really, really feel that she will shine in this movie.
Pero other question from